So I've got my 4-pack of storage bags here. These are all vacuum bags. So if you're trying to make some more room in your closet, or maybe you're going on a trip and you want to go ahead and just compact some of those clothes, those coats and things like that, this is definitely a good way to do that. So let me go ahead and show you what these bags look like. I mean, first thing I want to know is, okay, does it seal good? How thick is the plastic? Now, these right here, they've got really good seals. I mean, just look how big that is. I mean, that's pretty huge. We've got a hook up here at the top. It is swivel. When you put your other clothes in here, it can hold up to 5. The plastic seems pretty thick. I've used these before, and I've never had a problem with them tearing whatsoever. And then also the seal, I mean, it is fantastic too. It's almost like a Ziploc bag. So what you can do is you can seal this with your fingers, or they do come with some clips here. They actually have 2 different types of clips. You can take this clip here, and I'll demonstrate this in a minute when I go ahead and put some clothes in here and vacuum. But we can take our little clip here, we can put it along the side, squeeze it, and it's going to go ahead and seal that. Makes it really easy. Also, this is our valve that we're going to use. Simple to use. We just open it up. That's when we're going to go ahead and vacuum it down. And the vacuum that you do use, it's completely wireless. You just charge it up. It's got an internal battery in here. When you're ready to use it, you just hit that button here, turns blue, and it pulls that vacuum through there. Right here, we also do have a port to go ahead and charge that up. And of course, this is where it's going to suck the air into, and the air is going to exit right through here. Now, it does come with a power cord, and it also comes with a little storage bag to go ahead and store everything. So that way, if you want to, if you're going on a trip, you can go ahead and store this in the bag and just take it with you. So what I want to do is take some of my coats right here, go ahead and put them in here, get it nice and compressed, and that way I can go ahead and put more items into my closet. So now that I have all my coats in here, I'm just going to take this right here, I guess I would call this a sealer, and I'm going to put it up here along the edge here and just squeeze it and pull it down, and that allows me to go ahead and seal this all up. So now that I have it all sealed, you just want to make sure your valve is open. You just go ahead and just put that to counterclockwise. If you close it, that would be closed. That's going to be open. I'm going to press this once. And now it's going to go ahead and start pulling all that air out. Now that it's all done, I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that valve is closed. And you can see the difference here. I mean, it's pretty thin. It's pulled all that air out. Now what I can do, I've got several more of these bags. I did have 4, so I've got 3 more. I can go ahead and put some more items in here, and it's not going to take up much room. I just kind of push them all to the side. So it definitely gives me a lot more closet space. This is something, of course, I can put into a suitcase, use it for vacations and travel and things like that. And since this is so compact and it's rechargeable, I can just take it anywhere and use it without having to plug it in anywhere. Hope you found this review helpful.